Hi, I'm Amy from Julian Modern Property Management, and I'm here today to talk to you about condensate pipes. A condensate pipe is a pipe connected to your boiler which dispenses wastewater through the condensing process of a boiler. This should drip, but it should never run, so if you do notice that the condensate pipe is running water constantly, then you do need to report this to your property management company or to a gas safe engineer if you are a homeowner. Now the weather is getting quite cold, condensate pipes can actually freeze and the safety mechanism inside the boiler will shut off, meaning you won't get any heating or hot water. If the condensate pipe does freeze, you can try and unfreeze this by using warm water. This should always be warm and never boiling, as if you do use boiling water, as condensate pipes are mostly made of plastic, this can actually destroy the pipe. If you do notice that your condensate pipe is running constantly with water, or if it is frozen, then you can give us a call here at Property Management and we will send a gas safe engineer out to get this sorted. Thank you for watching.